Welcome back, guys. Well, we're way up here in elk country. Me and Zeb, he came down from Indiana. We're gonna be going snowboarding tomorrow, but came up here a little early. He brought his dirt bike down, and I brought mine. We're gonna tear back in here and do some mule deer shed hunting, actually. Maybe find some elk sheds, that'd be sweet, but we'll see how it goes. We're gonna tear back in here. It's a good ways, probably like 10 miles, 9 miles, something like that. So, got everything loaded up. I'll be going snowboarding 2 days tomorrow, and then I'll be shed hunting a day or two after that. So, we'll see how it goes. So, stay tuned, guys. This is gonna be fun. Alrighty guys, well, we made it to our spot and we're gonna go back in here and just put on some miles and see if we can pick something up. Right here where we stopped, there's already deer dropping, so sweet. I've heard they're just starting to drop up here, so we'll see if it'd be sweet if we could find some nice browns. So we'll just start walking. There's some elk droppings. Might even find some elk sheds, that'd be sweet. We'll see what we can find. Alrighty guys, first find. I was not expecting this. Big Coues deer shed. Looks like brown last year's. Dude, that's a toad. Oh my goodness, guys.
That thing is nice.
That is a big shed. Check that thing out.
That's sweet.
That is sick. Dude, that's a toad. Look at that. Look, it's all bladed.
That thing is nice.
Dude, he's probably maybe 1 year old.
There's probably more around here.
Dude, if we could find the other side of that thing, that's a beast. I was not expecting that, guys.
Yeah.
That little acorn right there.
That's nice.
Dude, yeah, there's tons of elk sign out here. Good bit of deer sign too. That is sweet. That's a good way to start it right there. We've seen quite a few elk back there. Alright guys, second find. It's the little, probably like a 2-year-old elk shed. That is sweet. That's pretty chalky. It's probably 3 years old maybe. Sweet guys, like 5 minutes after I pick up that other shed probably. Dude, yeah. Let's keep looking. It's your turn, Zeb. Sweet. Another Coues shed. Oh, sweet. He's broken. That stinks. He almost looks like that buck I just picked up though. Dude, yeah. I can't believe it, guys. Right out here in the open. I just stopped the glass over there on that ridge way over there. And right over there I stopped, and then I look over and see he's laying right here in the open. Dude, that's sweet. That's a nice shed. Too bad he's broken. He probably would have some cool character. That almost looks like it's all the same buck, just the way his rack is, but I don't know. That is sweet. Guys, I was not expecting to pick up Coues deer sheds today. Found everything but mule deer sheds out here. Getting the other one out. Man, it stinks he's broken, but just the way his beam like gets thick right there, see it?
Mm-hmm.
And his eye guard. I don't know. Maybe it's just the similar genetics.
Yeah.
That's sweet. Those both aren't bad. If he wasn't broken, he'd probably have another time, maybe, but.
And that's an older one.
Yeah.
This one.
Sweet, guys. I'll take Coues deer sheds any day. Alright, guys, I was walking up here and looked down, seeing all this carcass, and it's actually a shedded bull. skull. Look at that. Huh. Cool. Well, probably didn't shed too far away. No, it looks pretty old. It's probably 1 or 2 years old, but not terribly old. But yeah. Well, if he's shedded and he was in here, it's a good sign. I kind of came over this big flat up top, and he came down on this steep ridge, kind of going around to the south here, kind of west slope, and then it goes around to the south. So Zeb's up above me, just cruising, see what we can find. Hoping to find at least one good elk antler. We'll see. Lord willing, we'll find something soon. Welcome back to the dirt bikes, and barely caught a glimpse of this little shed. Another Coues deer shed. Sweet. Just an oldie. We'll take it. I would have never guessed we would have been finding more Coues deer sheds than anything else out here. It's crazy. I thought for sure the mule deer would have been probably #1 out here, but hey, I'll take a big Coues deer shed any day, even over a pretty big mule deer shed, to be honest. Something about big Coues deer sheds are just sweet. Well, that was pretty fun. I went about 6 miles. Zed probably about went the same. And anyways, we're gonna head back. Found 3 Coues deer sheds and 1 elk shed. So not too bad. No mule deer sheds, but that's fine as long as we're finding sheds. Zeb didn't find any, unfortunately, but oh well, we had fun anyways. Yeah. So we're gonna head back to the truck, and I'll see you in about 2 days. So we'll see you then.